the US is going to be very alarmed. A senior Russian lawmaker has revealed that Moscow has just sent an advanced air defense system to Venezuela. This follows Caracas previously receiving Su-30 Mk-2 fighter jets and the S-300VM system from Russia. The question now is, what other air defense systems might be sent? Keep your eyes on this story. Now, in Venezuela's weapons depot, a revolutionary air defense system has arrived, the Pancir S1. This is not just an addition to the defense arsenal, it is an extraordinary leap forward. The Pancir S1, with its modern design and superior combat capabilities, represents the pinnacle of Russian short to medium-range air defense engineering. The system is designed to counter a wide and increasingly complex spectrum of aerial threats, from small, agile drones and fast-attack helicopters to low-flying aircraft attempting to evade detection and even deadly cruise missiles. This versatility is the backbone of the Pancir S1 superiority, allowing it to quickly adapt to a variety of potential threat scenarios. The presence of the Pancir S1 in Venezuela is highly significant, especially considering that similar systems have proven their effectiveness in various theaters of operation. The system combines twin 30mm automatic cannons, capable of firing high-speed bursts to neutralize approaching targets. This is paired with a set of 12-57E6 surface-to-air missiles ready for launch, providing precise interception capabilities at greater ranges. At the heart of the Pancir S1 effectiveness is its integrated radar optical targeting suite, a technological marvel that enables it to simultaneously track and intercept multiple targets within a 20-kilometer radius and at altitudes up to 15 kilometers. This means that even complex attack formations face a serious challenge from a single Pancir S1 unit, especially when integrated into a layered air defense network. The circulating information indicates that this Pancir S1 is likely to be operated by the Wagner contractor, a detail that further underscores Russia's commitment to the effectiveness and operational readiness of the systems it provides. The introduction of advanced air defense systems usually requires months of personnel training, representing a substantial investment of time and resources. By deploying experienced operators, Venezuela can quickly integrate the Pancir S1 into its defense architecture, maximizing its full potential from the outset. This is a demonstration of Russian pragmatism, ensuring that the technology provided is not only advanced, but also combat-ready in the shortest possible time. However, the Pancir S1 is only one component of the layered air defense puzzle that Venezuela is building with Russian assistance. Another system, whose presence is less publicly known, is the Buk-M2E, known to NATO as the SA-17 Grizzly. This system has been delivered to Caracas via Il-76 transport aircraft, highlighting the urgency and strategic importance of the shipment for Venezuela's defense. The Buk-M2E is a highly capable medium-range air defense system designed to engage multiple aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles simultaneously using its 9M31-7E interceptor. This missile has a range of up to 28 miles, giving it broader coverage than the Pancir S1 and allowing it to intercept threats at a greater distance from the area being protected. The deployment of the Buk-M2E near Caracas, the political and economic center of Venezuela, significantly strengthens the country's defensive posture against potential U.S. military action. Unlike Venezuela's older S-300VM system, which tends to be more static and requires longer setup times, the Buk-M2E offers superior mobility and faster response capabilities. This makes it ideal for defending densely populated urban centers and crucial military command posts around Caracas, where mobility and rapid reaction are critical for surviving sudden attacks. The system is supported by the advanced 9S-36 fire control radar, capable of tracking multiple targets up to 70 kilometers away while maintaining strong resistance to electronic interference, a feature essential when facing an opponent with superior electronic warfare capabilities. Venezuela has indeed established a comprehensive layered radar network to maximize the effectiveness of its air defense system. This deployment also includes the 9S-18M13 Kupol radar, an advanced surveillance system offering 360-degree coverage. The Kupol's early warning capabilities are impressive, capable of detecting low-flying cruise missiles at altitudes as low as 15 meters. Together with the 9S-36 radar from the Buk-M2E system, Kupol creates a robust, layered defense structure. One radar provides vital early warning and crucial reaction time, while the other directs precise and lethal interception strikes. The combination of these air defense systems and radar networks presents a significant challenge to U.S. air operations. The Buk-M2E, with its advanced radar capabilities and accurate missiles, has the potential to target stealth aircraft, such as the F-35 Lightning II, as well as other advanced U.S. fighters like the F-15E Strike Eagle and Super Hornet. This is a bold claim, but it is based on the enhanced detection and targeting capabilities embedded in the latest generation of Russian systems. Even the Tomahawk cruise missile, a mainstay weapon traditionally used by the U.S. in preemptive strikes to neutralize enemy defenses, could be intercepted before reaching critical targets in Venezuela. This fundamentally alters the risk calculus for U.S. military planners, who must now account for the potential loss of valuable assets and mission failure. The new generation Pancir S1 is generally more agile, equipped with superior sensors, and far more effective at engaging low-altitude flying targets compared to the Pancir S1, which was designed during the Soviet era and has limitations against modern threats. Thus, this layered defense architecture creates an almost impenetrable network, where each system supports and complements the others, covering gaps and maximizing overall effectiveness. To analyze accurately, one can conclude that this Russian assistance is part of a broader effort to maintain and expand its influence in Latin America, strategically counterbalancing the ongoing pressure from the U.S. The deployment of the Buk-M2E, along with the Pancir S1 and other systems, effectively signals to Washington that Caracas is not isolated. Venezuela has a strong supporter in Russia, a country willing and capable of supplying advanced military technology that fundamentally shifts the balance of power in the region. This marks a new era in Latin American geopolitics, where sovereign nations, backed by determined global powers, now have the capacity to defend themselves and assert their sovereignty, even in the face of relentless pressure from old hegemonies. The presence of advanced Russian weaponry in Venezuela is not just about defense, it is also about redefining power and influence on the world stage. What do you think might arrive next in Caracas? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.